Hello there everyone, my name is Korak Roy. For a while now, I was looking for a quality smartphone. My search ended with this, the OPPO A15s. Let me tell you more about it. The phone looks sleek as well as smart with the minimalistic design atop a curved body. It even feels great in hands and weighs just 120 grams. It comes equipped with a gorgeous 6.52-inch water drop eye protection screen. The display has an HD Plus resolution of 1520 by 720 pixels and filters blue light to provide comfort while using the phone for long hours. The phone boasts a powerful MediaTek Helio P35 processor. Coupled with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, the phone performs quite high on the specs. On the rear, the phone has a triple AI camera setup with a 13-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel depth camera and 2-megapixel macro lens. Additionally, it has an 8-megapixel AI beautification front camera. The one I have with me here is in the rainbow silver color, but it's also available in fancy white, dynamic black and white color options. The phone takes its power from a 4230 mAh lithium polymer battery. The massive battery holds enough power to provide a talk time of 29 hours and a standby time of 323 hours. Having used this smartphone for the last 1 month, I can tell you that this one gives you great features and a quality look as well. Give it a try yourself.